the Law Commission's deliberations on the Uniform Civil Code. The Law Commission's deadline has concluded. 14th of July, which is today, was the deadline, and the panel has received an overwhelming response on the matter of the implementation of a Uniform Civil Code. Sources have told your channel that over 60 lakh responses have been received so far, and Times now has accessed the details of how various communities who've been part of this exhaustive survey on the part of the Law Commission have responded on this subject. Top Law Commission sources tell Times now that one of the major sticking points appear to be what happens to the benefits of the Hindu undivided family tax benefits, as a large number of respondents have argued that the HUF is an economic issue and not born out of any personal law and not religious in nature, and therefore it cannot come under the ambit of the Uniform Civil Code. Now, this is likely to be further deliberated upon by the Law Commission. The Law Commission is also set to keep women empowerment as their primary focus in the recommendations that they'll eventually make to the central government. So let me go across to Harish, who's been tracking these developments very closely ever since the Law Commission actually was put together to deliberate upon the UCC. Harish, today is of course the concluding day in terms of seeking feedback on a Uniform Civil Code. Tell us about the responses received so far, including certain controversial takeaways.
Yes, that's right, Siddharth. Remember, the Law Commission under its chairman, Justice Rituraj Avasthi, had begun the exercise of consultation and on June 14th, and had set a 30-day deadline which ended today, and an overwhelming response. According to sources, they have received 60 lakh views and suggestions from individuals, social organizations, political organizations, and various recognized religious groups. And as you rightly said, one of the thrust of the Law Commission, according to sources, is that to ensure that the discriminatory laws inbuilt in various personal laws of religions, that has to be done away with, and a uniformity brought about. And also the Law Commission said that there is an overwhelming view that the Law Commission need not touch the sensitive Hindu undivided family rule, which as per the rules gives a tax rebate to Hindu undivided families. Remember, this question was seriously repeatedly asked by Asaduddin Owaisi of AMIM and even Kapil Sibal, asking whether they, while drafting a UCC, whether the Hindu undivided family rule will be done away with. But the Law Commission's prima facie view is that this need not be touched upon, because it's basically an economic aspect and nothing to do with personal laws or religion. And according to sources, this will be a time-taking task now, since around 60 lakh responses have come, and 3 lakh more responses have gone to the President, and that also will be summoned to the Law Commission. So it's around 63 lakh responses, and the Commission has said that it will also be holding public debates, seminars, and open consultations for the benefit of the public.
Yes.
At the same time, after compiling all these responses, they will be forming their own report and give recommendations to the government.
Absolutely. So this promises to be a fairly long drawn out process still, despite of course today being the deadline, the 14th of July, for all the feedback pertaining to the UCC. Stay with us, Harish, because you've given us some more important updates. Now, Times now has also accessed details of what certain specific parties have had to say about the implementation of a Uniform Civil Code. The Akhil Bharatiya Sant Samiti is one such body that has backed the implementation of the UCC and has also sought a ban on polygamy, and they've also sought the imposition of a two-child norm on people of all faiths. Interestingly, the tribal wing of the RSS, and we're talking here about the Vanvasi Kalyan Ashram, has objected to the implementation of the UCC, citing special status given to tribals under both the 5th and the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. The All India Muslim Personal Law Board and also the political party, the DMK, have objected to the implementation of the UCC as well, as they argue that a common civil code could hurt the federal fabric of the nation.